Yeah, we're heading out. We're heading out. He just told us to. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Miller from MCPG, and today we are heading to Braden's house to pick up the pit bikes and head to downtown Charlotte. Now, I was just, searching up on Google Maps. I was like, where can we ride pit bikes at? And I found this mountain bike, backyard, do-it-yourself mountain bike park, and it looks pretty fun. So me and Kyle, I'm gonna meet up with Kyle. We're gonna meet him over there, and we're gonna pick up the pit bikes and head over there as well. So I hope you guys are ready for this vlog. Y'all have been blowing up my vlogs recently, and I cannot appreciate you guys enough. So sadly, we're not going to Bojangles today because I just not in the mood for it. I just had it recently on Friday, so I'm not gonna get it today. But we are headed out in the Subaru. As you guys saw, the truck wouldn't start. I'll catch you guys up when we get over to Braden's house. Man, the myth, the legend. I gotta talk to you. The 1 million subscriber. What do you guys say to my video? Oh God, wait.
Your video?
Oh jeez, wait. No, this is probably gonna be bleeped out, guys.
Probably. It was good, but I did not like how it made me look like I just buy everything under the sun.
You do.
But that is 6 years of buying stuff.
That is 6 years of buying stuff. Yeah.
I really appreciated everybody's parts in there. That was.
Was that? Did you think? Did you think that was gonna be in there?
I was cracking the hell up.
I like your outfit today. Honestly, I really appreciate. Oh my gosh. Password. I gotta get the GoPro batteries because I'm going to ride pit bike. Are you coming with us? Oh, bro, look what Peyton got me for 5 years.
Aww.
She got me Crocs. Yeah, if you want to go, you can totally go, baby. All right, guys, we got the bike all out of the garage. These are actually, spoiler alert, these are brand new Defender wheels right here. It's gonna look so good. Everything always looking good in here. Got the TTR ready. We got actually a new back tire on it in the last video, and 2 videos ago, we got a new back tire put on, and it is meaty as can be. So we're gonna head over to Kyle's now. We got a loader up on the Subaru, and yeah, we're gonna go ride. Kyle's meeting me there, so see you guys there. I got the GoPro today, so we're not gonna be just this camera. So yep, let's go load it up. The bike all loaded up. Put the helmet in there. Braden, you gonna have fun using your new zoom lens? You zoomed into me right now? I'm zoomed into you right now.
I don't think you're that zoomed in on me.
Oh my God, no.
Yes, sir.
All right, have fun, Braden.
I'm gonna go take a picture of that bird.
What bird?
The one down there.
How far are you from that place?
30 minutes.
Okay, are you leaving now?
Yeah, 3 minutes.
I bet. I'll see you there, homie.
No.
What?
Alright, see you in a little bit. I'll see you in a little bit.
Alright, bye. Kyle, what the how did I find Kyle? Oh my God. He almost freaking hit me. How did we find each other? What the hell? Oh my God. Look at this little tubular thing on there. That's crazy looking. Are you Kyle Colin?
No.
You look like him.
He's a loser.
I like your tubes. What is this clown doing? We just now found a parking spot. What up, Kyle? What up, buddy? Nice. Clean. All right, guys, bringing the bag so we can film some stuff for y'all. I'm probably gonna take some stuff out of it real quick, but Kyle's unloading, getting ready to move. We found this nice little quiet road. Gonna be interesting. Kyle, do you need help? Okay. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and switch it to GoPro. I got 2 extra batteries.
Oh, I didn't grab any batteries.
You might want those. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Interesting. It's gonna be a good time.
What do you want to do, ride or walk?
It's up to you. I'm down to walk it, but
Ride it, let's go.
oh boys, here we go.
We about to be gooning through the neighborhood on the pit bikes. I'm a little chilly. I wish I threw a long sleeve on.
Oh, this is so great. Honestly, what a good Christmas day. Getting your Christmas tree. Howdy, how's it going? Oh, he didn't like me. He doesn't like, I don't think they like this. All right, so what's the plan here? Are we gonna go this way? We're just waiting at the stoplight, or what's going on? What do you want to do?
Just go up on the sidewalk. We're bicycles.
We're bicycles. Bicyclists.
You just gotta press the button.
Oh my God, Kyle's
Come on,
waiting
bud,
for
let
the
me
thing.
walk.
Oh, jeez.
Ready? I'm running.
Yeah. This is stupid. Hopefully we don't meet any Karens out here today. Oh, okay. We weren't sure. but I mean, usually guys are cool with like doing this kind of dumb stuff, so hopefully we meet some cool people today maybe. But we're gonna hopefully, I brought my big camera for the cinematics and stuff. Look at these people stopping for us. Oh, this is not good.
We're trying to keep it cool on the street. We got people hanging Christmas lights, so everybody's out in their yard right now. It's a Sunday.
Oh Jesus, we're just gonna keep it nice and civil, nice and quiet. We've made it to the trails, guys. Oh Jesus, it's rocky. Oh my God, okay Kyle. I want to find the jump line because I saw on Google that there's the jump line here and it looked pretty fun.
Why would you want to ride a mountain bike when you can ride a pit bike? They have motors. I'm just lazy and I know it.
There's so many trails back here. I kind of want to bring my mountain bike here if y'all have followed me for a little while. Oh my God, Kyle. Kyle's a savage. Kyle, you're a savage, bro.
Dude, this is going to be a good day. We got to just not get kicked out.
God.
People are either going to love this or hate this.
Yeah, exactly.
Honestly, if you keep... So
How's it going? You don't mind we being out here?
Well, we're going to do our least to tear it up. We're going to keep it as...
Yeah, we're going to be as...
I'm going to pump it.
Pump it. Pump track.
Pump track. I'm taking my chain off.
Holy crap, there's some big ones out here. What are you going to do?
Make a fool of myself?
You want to go walk around first?
I want to kind of, yeah. Like, this is me all day.
Oh yeah, this is me for sure.
This is me all day.
Yeah, this line for sure.
I still got to finish working today.
Kyle, you won't hit that though.
No, I ain't hitting that. This is cool as hell.
Dude, this is awesome. Holy cow.
Bro,
You will not.
if I knew I wasn't going to case it, because I know I will.
That's pretty high.
That's so cool that nobody like came and tore this down though.
Yeah.
All right, let's go play on that line over there, see where that takes us, and then work our way back up.
Alright. Dude, this is great, honestly.
Great idea.
What a great idea.
We need to start that as a series, just urban adventures.
Yeah, Urban Adventures, yeah.
Urban adventures with Miller and Kyle.
Because we already have another place that we want to go to.
Oh, we'll probably do what, a skate park next?
Yeah, skate park next for sure. Trampoline park after that. No, I'm just kidding.
Trampoline park on pit bike.
Imagine. So we trying this track first?
I'm trying this line over here. You want to film you with your camera?
Yeah, probably first run. Shoot right there. Do this line a little bit. Hit that and then do the little hip jump right there. Are you going first? Am I going first?
I'll go first.
Okay.
I'll die first.
You'll die first? You want me to film you?
Hell yeah.
This is stupid. Oh. Kyle. Coming a little too high, bud.
Oh, we covered it too quick for that. Oh, that's the end of this.
Oh my God, Kyle. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Dude, honestly, I had more fun going up the line than I did down the line.
Dude, like half the people are gone right now.
Oh, even better.
Yeah, so.
All right, you want to cruise up there and go look at some... Let's go look at these tabletops on the other side.
Alright.
Oh, tabletop, sign me up. Sign me up for tabletops. Yes, yes, another one. Oh, this is all oh, yes, please. All right, guys, it's about to get exciting, bruh. Oh my God, yes. Hell yeah. Oh shoot, wait till Miller gets over here.
This is sick, bro.
Yes, Miller.
Oh my God.
Bruh, these are perfect. Like second gear poppers.
Oh yeah.
I hit the last three.
Oh really?
Yeah, I wasn't even like meaning to. I just was figured I'm
gonna
already...
go up this track right here.
Alright. They seem to be cool. They seem like they're like, oh, you ain't gonna cut nothing up.
Oh yeah.
Like, good.
That's good.
Alright, you wanna follow up behind me? You're gonna follow me till I fall?
Yeah. Oh boy.
I don't know, does it second gear jumps? Yeah.
Oh my God. Woo! Holy shit!
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, Miller's footage is gonna be so cool.
You fucking moron. You booted that one.
That one I booted, I about went over the handlebars.
Oh my God. Where do you want to go?
You better send one of these.
I know. I know which one I want to do too.
There's a bunch of good ones. What are you hitting?
Ah, this one over here. Oh God, he makes it look so easy, but it's
Jumping
like
a pit
kind of
bike
not.
is nothing like jumping a dirt bike.
Oh Jesus.
Okay, Miller. See, they're smooth. Hell yeah. Yeah, jumping a pit bike is nothing like a dirt bike.
Yeah, definitely. Hell yeah.
Oh shit! I ever said that one a little too far. Okay.
This shit is so much fun. He's calling Luke about a video, so I'm gonna do it one more lap. I might do this one eventually, but it's just too sketchy. I don't know. And I don't like that one as much, but I like this one. That shit's fun, dude. Kyle, are you peeing? Kyle's peeing. Yeah, all the guys out here, and honestly, if anybody asked us to leave, we probably would. But like everybody out here is pretty cool with it. How's it going? Oh, okay. We weren't sure. We didn't see it. Okay. Hey, Kyle, hold on. Sorry about that.
So what? What's that?
Can't ride bikes on here.
Oh, there isn't a BMX style track?
No, mountain bikes only.
Oh, gotcha.
You'll be reported to the police if you do.
Understood. Alright, we won't hang out too long. No point of ruining it for everybody else, right?
Well, I mean, it's mountain bikers that built it, so.
Yeah.
What's up? We're not tearing anything up, we swear. All right. Yeah, we're heading out. We're heading out. He just told us to. Yeah, we're heading out, man. Oh, Jesus.
Call the cops on me.
Oh, God. Well, it only takes one Karen. It only takes one Karen.
Hold on, I want to go talk to him.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, my God, Kyle.
Anywho, y'all have a good day.
Did you guys care if we rode out here? Like, we're not tearing nothing up. Yeah, we're just out here trying to have fun like y'all. Just exploring.
We've had 15 people say, "Oh, go for it. You ain't gonna tear
Yeah, we've
nothing
had
up."
so many people out here say that's awesome. Like, why haven't we done this before?
Not like I'm sitting there revving out the jumps.
Yeah,
Be a big difference.
we're literally not. I mean, it's the same tires as y'all's got, just a little beefier. Oh no, you ready, Kyle?
Yes, sir.
Well, let's do it. Have a good day, guys. Sorry if we ruined your jumps and your day. I think we gotta go this way.
Nah, I'm gonna go right up to him. All right, how do I get out of here?
You won't.
How the hell do I get out of here? Uh-huh.
Follow that up, it's going to stay double tracked, and you're going to come out to the road right there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Just right back up and in that direction.
But we weren't trying to tear nothing up though. Well, I get where you're coming from though. Say what?
Every single piece of dirt on that trail I've touched by hand.
I believe it. Yeah. Well, that's why we were just trying to be quiet and respectful for a little bit, and
I don't even know what Kyle's talking to him about.
there is no waiver. What happens if somebody gets hurt back here? Who's that fall on?
We have a blanket insurance policy.
Talking about insurance now, apparently.
Alrighty. We have a good one.
Well, it was fun till we got kicked out. Some freaking Karens right there, bud. We're not tearing nothing up more than they are. Like, honestly, our pit bike tires are probably smaller than their bike tires. Like, honest to God.
Anywho, yeah, they weren't too happy about that.
Out here, man.
Yeah, we're heading out.
Okay.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
we're heading out. Sorry about that.
You have a good one.
Oh, man. That was fast. Honestly, it wasn't that fast. I thought it was going to be a little bit longer.
I should have just started pushing it over the jumps and down the trails.
Oh, my God.
It's not a dirt bike, it's a bicycle.
Yep.
Take the spark plug out, it doesn't run.
That's so lame, dude.
Well, I'm on my tire. He was like, the cops ride on the greenway on dirt bikes. I'm like, I'm sure they do.
Make sure we're not getting followed out of here. Why you got to do us like that?
This is my pedal bike.
It's just
What are you talking about? This is the pedal bike.
This is a
Pump up the jam.
Oh my God. so angry about it. So angry.
Get off of here! You can't ride here!
Oh my god.
I moved every dirt here because my wife gives me no ass.
Can I give you my dirt bike?
Sure.
Oh my god, bro.
As long as you're okay with it being put like that.
Oh, 100%.
My GoPro battery is probably dead for all of that.
No, it's still recording. Is yours?
Hell yeah.
Is mine still recording?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Well, that was mighty fun.
Alright, so getting kicked out of a skate park next.
Check.
We found an abandoned, well, it wasn't
Everything's abandoned.
We found a mountain bike track.
We rode a mountain bike track. We had a little bit of fun, and then we got kicked out.
On a day's work.
What else could you ask for? Oh, you have motors. Dude, I'm coasting over the jumps. Calm your titties.
Oh my god, dude, that was so funny. So we just had an idea, Kyle.
We had an idea.
I have an RC truck.
We're gonna go find the Karens and piss them off with an RC truck.
It's honestly gonna be great. What? There we go. Now we're seeing light. Alright guys, so we got kicked out, me and Kyle.
Big bow bimbo.
Why are we so bright? Yeah, we got kicked out, but we think we're gonna take the RC truck back. Are you gonna ride? Brayden's got an extra one. We should take him back and just like launch him off. Like, what are you gonna say then? It doesn't have a motor, it's got a battery.
Oh, shit. Yeah, even better. It says no motorized vehicle.
So, we're gonna take RC trucks back there. 1,000 likes on this video. I don't even know what I've been
technically,
getting. Oh yeah, guys, if you didn't know, Kyle made a purchase.
Man of purchase.
And
Man of empty pockets.
made it in pockets. And bought Brayden's old pit bike. And I got my pit bike. What is that?
Next, we're going to take the Can-Ams back there and do burnouts everywhere.
No, guys, but
Next, I'm going to take my mini skid back there and dig a 6-foot depth trench.
in front of every single jump.
Tabletop, not no longer.
17-foot gap to flat? 100%. Here, I'm trying to find the comment of the day. Hold on. So I told the video last time, if you read the description and you get a shout out, and we're gonna see who gets the shout out. It is gonna be, Kyle, what are you doing back there? Mr. Game Frank, shout out to you, buddy. You made the first comment that says we got him. We pre-ranked Brayden.
What do we get?
He gets a shout out.
I didn't even read the description on that video.
See, guys, you read the description, you get a shout out. So go read the description right now, and it's gonna
Don't
say.
put a shout out in it.
I'm not.
Go read the description and then find my link.
And then find his link. Go on his description, and then
Yes, and
comment.
then you'll get a shout out on both videos.
There you go, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching today. That's gonna wrap it up. Kyle, we'll see you later. Skate park next week.
Oh yeah.
Skate park.
DIY skate park.
All right, guys. I'll see y'all later.